This is the first lecture in digital electronics after the discussion of syllabus of digital electronics. So the topic name is what is digital electronics and why digital electronics? Why not analog electronics? Okay. First we'll discuss about digital electronics. This digital electronics is the study about digital systems. And what is meant by digital system? A electronic system or electronic circuit which process digital signals is called a digital system or digital circuit. Okay. All signals available in nature are analog signals. We cannot get digital signals directly. So by time sampling and voltage quantization of analog signal, we will get digital signal. Okay. Now we'll see why digital electronics, why not analog electronics. Initially there were no digital electronics, but there were analog electronics. Later this digital electronics came or developed, and after development of digital electronics, when we compare both analog and digital electronics, we found digital electronics is more advantageous over analog. Hence we mostly using or working with digital electronics. Of course analog is existed and it has their own advantages over digital, but we are mostly interested about digital electronics advantages because we found them more useful in our real life. For example, I will give you one best example. There are so many advantages or disadvantages, but I would like to give one main advantage. This digital signal is less susceptible or less affected by noise than analog signal. We'll see how it is affecting less compared to analog. Suppose let us assume the analog signal data voltage is 1 volt and the noise adding is 0.2 volts. So totally it will become 1.2 volts. So it is corrupted or affected by noise. The same noise voltage added in digital case, what will happen? Let us assume the logic 0 voltage range is 0 to 2 volts and the logic 1 range is 3 to 5 volts. Then for 1 volt original data signal, digital data signal, if 0.2 volts noise added, then how it will become? What it will become? 1.2 volts. Still this 1.2 volts lies in logic 0 range only. Okay, so it is not corrupted or it is not affected by noise. Suppose if more noise volt is added, then it will corrupt. But compared to analog, even in analog, even small amount of noise added, then it will corrupt. But in digital case, until some limit, okay, even noise is adding, still that original data lying in the same voltage range. So it is less susceptible or less affected by noise. That's why we prefer digital over analog. Okay, there can be some other advantages or disadvantages, just I given one advantage. Okay, right.